Welcome to Eagle Complete Course. After we learned about the overall Autodesk Eagle, maybe you notice what if we want to make a PCB design, but Eagle doesn't provide the library of our component. So, in this video, we're going to learn how to customize the symbol library for the Eagle schematic. We will learn both how to make our own library and how to import customized library from the internet. If you are still wondering what is library in Eagle, I will give a brief explanation. So, basically, libraries are a place where you store all of your parts in Autodesk Eagle. Each part will contain a device, symbol, and package. A library need not contain only real components. Ground or supply symbols as well as drawing frames can also be stored as device in a library. Within every library, you will have one or multiple devices. These devices include both a schematic symbol and a package in one accessible location. Then, within every device, you will have a symbol which provides a visual representation of a part for use on a schematic, and you will also have a package, which is the physical representation of a part for use in a PCB layout. Package can also be called as a device's housing. For the first step, we're going to make our personal library folder. To do that, open your Autodesk Eagle. In the Control Panel window, click File and select New Library to open the library window. Now, we have to save our library by clicking File, then select Save. This is the interface of the Library Editor window. The Library Editor window opens when you load one of your libraries for creating or editing components. There are 4 columns here for devices, packages, 3D packages, and symbol. A 3D representation of a package can be an assigned model in step file format. Now, I will tell you some important icons in the library editor that might be useful when we make our customized library. These 4 icons in the action toolbar here are Show Table of Contents, Load Device, Load Package, and Load Symbol. If you left-click on these 3 icons here, the new window will pop up for you to make a new device, package, or symbol. And if you click on one of these icons with the right mouse button, or left-click on the little arrow beside these 3 icons, a list with the recently edited object will pop up. After that, we have to activate the library. Back to the Control Panel window, right-click your new library and select Use. You will know if the library is activated if it has a green dot next to it. In this video, we will be focusing more on how to make symbol, and we will discuss how to make package in the next video. One thing when we make symbol library is we have to take a look at the datasheet of our component. For example, I will make a symbol for an E555 timer. So, first open the datasheet of NE555 and look at the pin configuration. These pins are what we're going to make in the library editor. So, back to the library editor window. Select this symbol icon to open the edit dialog. Next, enter the name for your symbol in this column. I'm going to name it NE555_timer. A warning dialog will open. Select Yes to confirm that you want to create the new symbol name. Now you will be moved to the symbol editor window and you will see this interface. There are some icons that you might be familiar with. Now, let's insert some pins to our symbol. Based on the datasheet, we need 8 pins in total. Four on the left and 4 on the right. To add them, select the pin icon on the left-hand side of your interface. Then, left-click in the symbol editor workspace to place the first pin. Repeat this process for the remaining pins on your symbol. To place the 4th pins in the right, we can right-click twice to rotate the pin 180 degrees and then left-click to place. After we get our pin placed, we will change the name of each pin. To do that, select the name icon on the left side of the interface. Then, select the first pin you placed. The name dialog will open. The first pin in the datasheet is the ground or GND. So, we will enter GND in this column and select OK. We will repeat this process until the rest of the pins have their name. For the second pin, we're going to write trick. The third pin is out. The fourth pin is reset. Then, notice that the fifth pin is on the opposite side of pin 4. Pin 5 is count. Next, the 6th pin is thresh. The 7th pin is disk. And the last one here is VCC. The next step we're going to do is adding the symbol outline. To complete the visual of our symbol, we will need to add an outline to group all of our pins together. You can select the line icon here, then left-click on the starting point to begin drawing the outline. Continue to make the outline using line and double left-click to complete the drawing process. So, this is how our symbol will look like. The final step in this process is a necessary one: adding placeholders for both the name and value of your symbol. Having a name and value will come in handy when cross-referencing information between your schematic and PCB layout, and will also help if a friend has to review your schematic. First, click on the text icon here, and the text dialog will pop up. Here I will type name in this column, then click OK. Before placing the new text, we need to switch to its placement layer. Select the Layers drop-down at the top of your interface and choose Layer 95 Names. Now I will place it on the upper part of my symbol. Repeat the previous process to add value. But this time we're using Layer 96 value. For another information, you can change the pin's properties by right-clicking on the desired pin. Then click Properties. You will see some options here. You can change the angle, direction, swap level, the length of the pin, function, and also its visibility. So, that's how we make our own customized symbol libraries. We will continue this lesson on the next video.